Before we jump into the video, guys, make sure to hit that sub button. Give me a thumbs up. That really helps with analytics. I know that doesn't sound like a big thing before the video starts, but all you gotta do is hit that sub button, give me a thumbs up for analytics. It's gonna help out a lot, believe me. Let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Kind of gave me a video idea today. I drive a 2016 F150 2.7 EcoBoost, and it has an intake on it. And I keep seeing people post over and over on these Facebook groups that I'm a part of that are asking, like, is the intake worth it? Should I buy one? And this is my 6-month review, maybe even more, maybe even longer. No, it's probably longer. It's probably more like my year review on my K&N intake setup on my 2.7 EcoBoost. And I guess the questions are, is it worth it? Should you buy it? And what are my impressions of it? So let me go ahead and jump into that. So with the exception of needing gas, and hopefully there's no glare, which there definitely is, I am like in stop and go traffic essentially, and everybody wants to know, like, if you can hear the intake. So I don't know how well you could hear that, but that was like a small acceleration. No more than like a quarter of a pedal, maybe even less than that. I wanted you guys to hear that light acceleration video and then the revving video that I just did right there. So is it loud? I mean, if you were like on a scale 1 to 10, it's probably like a 3 or a 4 over factory, like out of 10, if that kind of makes sense. It's not loud at all. I was actually expecting it to be like a little bit louder coming from cars, but it's not. This is my opinion. Now, my truck is tuned for the intake through 5-star, but I think the truck gets worse gas mileage with it after I installed it. I don't know. Maybe it's the tune. Maybe it's both. Maybe that's just my opinion. So no power difference. So sound a little bit. You get to hear a little bit of the spool when you're like riding around town, which I obviously like that. Like, it was worth it. I bought the intake used for like $100, so it was worth it. You hear a slight spool and I don't know, a little bit of the noise, but no performance gain. I mean, at all. Literally nothing. And if it is, you can't feel it. And if somebody tells you they can feel the intake, they're lying. It is no. 100%. I see so many people in there, they say that's why they make them. Like, some of these intakes are really expensive. Like the AFE is like $400, maybe $500 even. What's that? The air raid or whatever it's called. I can't think of the name of it. That one's like $400. The S&B is like $400. If you are going to buy an intake for your EcoBoost, buy a used one and save your money, because literally you're buying it for sound. I do not care what you say. Comment below. Let me know what you think. No, it's a lie. This is 100% truth. No performance upgrade. You get to hear sound. And if sound to you is worth $500, it shouldn't be. It should not be worth that much to you. So just keep that in mind. I don't know. That was a weird horn. Anyway, keep that in mind that it's literally just for sound. So, I'm going to do another small pull before the video ends, just so that you guys can hear it. And that's going to be it, guys. That'll be a wrap for this video. So, overview, would I buy the intake again? I don't know. Maybe. Like, I'm a little racer. Like, I got a little racer in me from cars. Like, all that Honda bullshit you guys are seeing. Like, I don't know. Probably I would buy it again, but used. I would spend exactly what I spent on this one. This one was shipped to my doorstep. The guy even included cleaner for the filter. It was K&N set up for $100 shipped. Do that. Do not buy used. Do not buy these $500 kits. And everybody that like lives and die by these AFE kits, your guys are nuts. That is way too much money. So, all right, guys, YouTube's been going great. I mean, future is bright. I'm going where I want to go with this stuff. Please subscribe. Give me a like. I'm going to do one more pull before it's over, guys. Make sure you finish watching the whole video. I need to have view time. You guys know what it is. So here's another pull, 20 to whatever. Of course, we're in Mexico. Would not break no laws. So stay tuned, guys. Give me a sub.